description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you could do with your instant noodles should you choose. Today we got one from Vietnam. I found this at Everett or Evergreen Oriental Grocery or Asian Market. It used to be Evergreen or Everett Oriental Market. I think they're the same people. Anyways, this is a Vietnamese take on Korean Jjajangmyeon, and that's what I am doing today. You get to watch it boil, and that is fun for you. You've mentioned that you enjoy that and that it's fun for you. We got some veg to throw in, and we got some noodle round to throw in, and we got 4 minutes, and you get to enjoy the wholesome activity of watching the noodles cook. It's November 10th, 2025. Yes, this is a new episode. Don't start thinking you're watching old stuff, because you're not. It's not old. It's new. It's the newest one. So that's the deal. And man, crazy. Crazy. That's all I have to say. It's crazy. Oh, man. My leg is all jacked up. But I did my walking. I did it. My magic feet. My feet are happy. It's my leg that's not. But I just tell it to shut up and I keep going. So, yeah, what's going on? Some grocery shopping. Got brand new scallions today. Stoked on that. Took the kids to the park on Saturday. Yeah. Very mellow weekend. We actually made a pizza. We haven't done that in a while. That was cool. Came out pretty good. Oh. So yeah. Wow. So the thing I'm dealing with right now is I play Pokemon Go, and you might not be interested in hearing this. If you're not, skip this one. But anyways, to level up, you gotta do these routes, and the routes are stupid. Okay, they're like, they don't always take, but I found one that every time I try to do it, it works out. So you have to do a route 7 days in a row. That's a big pain in the butt, because usually I don't do that kind of walking on the weekend. This weekend though, I went and I took the kids to the park, and the park is on the route. And then yesterday I went out and did my route in the morning. So, and I just did it already today. So I only got 4 more to go. So all week I'm going to be probably reviewing. I don't know, I might be getting ready to do some top 10 lists. But, yeah. So that's a thing. It's my current thing I'm dealing with. But it screws up how I usually go walking. Usually I go a completely different way. And I don't know. It just seems more logical to do the routes, get it over with, and I can get back to that. Especially with my leg all jacked up. I got a jacked up leg. Which sucks. I'm really curious how this is going to be. To be quite honest, I'm not an enormous fan of Jjajangmyeon, and it's a black bean sauce. I like it. Oh, Christ. I like it, but I I don't know. I think I'd much rather have it with rice than noodles. Just like rice with a lot of black bean sauce. That sounds nice. The best one I've had is done by Paldo, and that has like this little pouch, and it's got a lot of good stuff in there. Now you wonder, what did you do to your leg? Why does it hurt, Ramen Raider guy? Well, I walk a lot, and that usually doesn't bug me, but I must have twisted it or something. There we go. Supposed to reserve a little bit of water. This looks good to me. It's funny, I'm so much easier just to like walk around. But getting up and sitting down, it just like burns like fire. I don't care for that aspect. So there's our black bean sauce powder deal. And then of course we have an oil. So this is pretty standard Korean style-y doings. Although I will say, I mean it is Vietnamese, but I will say my favorite way for this is when you get a bag of sauce. It's not a powder base like that brown stuff. But we'll see. Ah, there we go. I've had this many times, not this brand but Jjajang many times, and more often than not, it's kind of got this funky, bitter, sometimes like it's got cocoa in it. I know it shouldn't, but yeah, it should be this dark looking, lugubrious, natured stuffings. So there we are. There is some jjajang to try in my face. Alright, let's give it a try. Cheers. Well, that's a big fat no from me. Why? Because a lot of the seasoning, it ended up sticking together and was gummy and crunchy. I stirred it pretty darn good. It should have been happy as a clam, but yeah, that base did not do as I would have liked it to. So I'm not going to go all crazy on it. Yeah, I'm not thrilled. But we'll do a little rotato for you. And just wait till you see what I got coming up next. Oh boy. Throw out here also, and it's kind of a surprise. I'm like standing over this rotating plate of noodles, and it smelled like really rank BO. I checked myself. It ain't me. It's gotta be that. How weird. Anyways, the next one you're gonna see is another jjajang. This one sounds interesting. This is Jjajangmyeon loopy jjajang. It's loopy. It's a loopy jjajang. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thank you for your time and enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.